Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Measure 1 cup frozen berries, 1 banana, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 1 cup milk, and 1 tablespoon honey. Use these specific amounts to guarantee a balanced texture and consistent flavor every time. The 1 cup milk is the baseline for a smooth, pourable consistency, while 1/2 cup yogurt adds creaminess and 1 tablespoon honey provides light sweetness. Prep by peeling the banana and rinsing fresh fruit. Use frozen fruit directly from the freezer. Keep 1/2 cup ice or 1/2 cup extra frozen fruit ready for thicker texture. Add liquid first, then fruit, then frozen items to protect the motor and improve blending. Start with 1 cup liquid for every 1/2 cup solid as a practical guideline, and use a 2:1 liquid to solid ratio as a starting point for consistency control. Adjust to make thicker or thinner smoothies. Use a pulse to break large pieces, then blend 30-45 seconds on high, pausing to shake or stir if chunks remain. Taste and add 1 tablespoon honey or 1 tsp stevia if needed. Pour into a 16-ounce glass and serve immediately for best freshness and texture. Smoothies oxidize and lose flavor quickly. If you must keep one, store leftovers in an airtight container up to 24 hours in the fridge. Shake before drinking to reincorporate separated liquids. For variation, swap milk for 1 cup almond milk or 1 cup coconut water. And for a protein boost, add 1 scoop, 20-25 g, protein powder or 2 tablespoon nut butter. Garnish with 1 tsp chia seeds for texture and nutrition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.